Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can change your profile picture or avatar on Discord. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to change your profile picture or avatar on Discord, it's actually pretty easy. So to do that, first, I want you to tap your profile on the bottom right corner. And after tapping it, next, go to Edit Profile. So here on the Edit Profile section is where you can personalize your Discord account, such as updating your username, bio, and of course, this is also where you can change your profile picture on Discord. So to do that, you just need to tap your profile picture. And then tap the Upload Image option. Then select Gallery. And now that you're on your gallery, you can now select the picture that you want to set as your new Discord avatar. And after selecting, you can also resize the picture if you want. Once you're done resizing, you can now tap the check button to completely upload this picture. And after that, the picture will now be uploaded, so just tap the Save button to completely set it as your new profile picture on Discord. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your Discord profile picture will now be changed. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.